Hello students, this is sixth part of the chapter recent development in Indian politics class 12th। या हमने जब चैप्टर को समझ लिया उसके बाद हम कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स से उसको हम रीड करने जा रहे थे। तो हमने 6 फैक्ट्स पढ़ लिए थे पिछले पार्ट में। अब हम नेक्स्ट कुछ फैक्ट्स को और जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। 7th वन इज अयोध्या इशू वॉज स्टार्टेड विद द demolition of the Babri Masjid in Ayodhya in December 1992 to symbolize various dangers in politics and debates about Indian nationalism and secularism. These developments are associated with the rise of BJP and politics of Hindutva. The political processes after the 1990s showed the emergence of broadly 4 groups of parties. For example, parties in coalition with Congress, parties in alliance with BJP, left front parties and other who are not part of the rest to make political competition multi-concern. 9th one is the anti-Muslim riots took place in form of violence against Muslims through an incident at a station called Godhra. 2002 when a bogie full of car sevaks was set on fire and suspected the hand of Muslim in it. Human Rights Commission criticized Gujarat. Government's role in failing to control violence and showed that government machinery also become susceptible to passion and alert us to danger involved in using religious sentiments for political purpose. 10th one is in the midst of severe competition and many conflicts, a consensus appears to have emerged among most parties consisting of main 4 elements: agreement or new economic policies, acceptance of political and social claims of backward classes, acceptance of role of state level parties in government of country, and emphasis on pragmatic consideration rather than ideological position and political alliances. So this was all about for today's lecture, children. Thank you.